Hi friends, in my previous video, I explained why many final year projects are getting rejected. So in this video, I will show you how to write a clear problem statement so your project doesn't fail. Then even with good coding and with a good working model, your project can fail if this one thing is missing. So that is, most of the students hear the term problem statement, but they are not clearly told what it actually means. So then, what a problem statement clearly explains is what type of the problems has occurred as the exist in the real world and why it need to be solved. This will be clearly explained from the problem statement. So this is a bad problem statement. I have took an example like to build a system using machine learning. Why it is a example for bad problem statement means it only talks about the technology and doesn't explain the actual problem. Next one is a good problem statement. That is, I here also have took the example that is manual asthma diagnosis is time consuming and error prone, leading to delayed treatment. So I will consider this as a good problem statement. I will give the clarification also. Why means it clearly explains the problem and its impact. At the same time, it is explaining the its impact also. So this is like a one format. So when writing your problem statement, follow this simple format. First it explains the problem and then its cause, that means why it has occurred, and then its impact, so where and all it is going to affect and finally mention the solution direction. So from the problem, what type of the solution you are going to provide for this. So before going to find the solution, you need to avoid some common mistakes. So those are like it shouldn't be too generic. So after that, not only technology focused, somewhat it need to be connected with the real world also. So most of the guides will expect clarity and relevance, so not the complicated words. So in final year project evaluations, clarity always matters more than the complexity. So your project should be clarity, need to have the clarity than the complexity or the complex words also. So if you really understood this video, just subscribe to Siriveli channel for simple and practical guidance on the final year project.